Back in cold, dreary Europe. Oh God, isn't it terrible, huh? Do I look cold? Do I look miserable? I'm not. Now, the reason I'm making this video, it's not going to be a long one, 5-6 minutes, 7 maximum, to explain a few things of why I'm here, what I'm doing, why I'm back in cold, dreary, rural Europe. Because I have several comments on my TikTok, actually, some on the YouTube channel too. But what are you doing back there? Why would you go back there now? You were just in South America. Why did you bother to go back to stay in the warm weather and do this and do that? Or fly straight to Southeast Asia or whatever, where you were before? Why go to a bad place? It's all doom and gloom in Europe. Well, it's actually not. And that's what this video is about, to try to explain to people, you guys who said this, to understand things a little bit more deeply. You know, it's about using your brain further than just thinking, oh, the weather, and it's so nice there, and it's so relaxing because I'm warm. That's not what life is about, friends. What life is about diversity and multiculturalism, spending time with your family, getting around, doing different things, being diverse, as I said, and enjoying everything that life has to offer. Why limit it to one thing when you can have many things? So coming back to Europe, which I hadn't done in many years, by the way, so it was way overdue because I was just busy in Asia, was something I had to do anyhow. And I did it unexpectedly because of what happened in January. Look at this beautiful lake behind me and the lovely restaurant over there, which has just opened again for the spring-summer season, and this lovely forest. And the grey sky, but it's nice and warm, 16 degrees to be precise. So, coming back to your roots, to your origin, is a very good thing to do a couple of times, 2, 3, 4 times a year even, to stay grounded and re-ground yourself, I should say. Become more balanced in life, because otherwise you lose a bit of touch with your own reality if you just live. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. Look, just enjoy this for a second with me. Beautiful little lake in this little, well, it's actually quite a big forest park area in Belgium, and it's nice. So you reconnect with your family. That's very important. Again, I haven't done that for many years. Always been in contact with them, but not in person. I mean, face to face. Reconnect with the family. That's so important because you reground yourself. You know. It's just a nice thing to do, and it's very vital in life to do that too. And I kind of lagged in that department for several years for multiple reasons, and now I'm doing it more often because I can, and it's the right thing to do in my opinion. So staying in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 warm places that are comfortable and to your desire, that's your choice if you want to. But I personally think, from a mental health perspective, as a health coach who has a lot of experience with mental health issues, not so much for myself, but with other patients that have helped recover from depression and other problems, mental problems, is to live a diverse life and to have an open mind and to get around and do different things. Travel is, of course, one of the most important things to inspire, to be creative, to get, just more inspiration from the travel yourself and the people you meet and the places you go to, the cultures you learn about, the people you run into, what you learn from them. That's great. That's why I use travel a lot as a part of my overall program and what I do, because traveling is a wonderful thing for many reasons. I also incorporate all of my health program into that, which is, I talk mostly about healthy food, healthy lifestyle, how to live a healthy lifestyle with healthy habits, the right type of exercise, fitness, movements, rather than overdoing things to get it right without overexertion. Wellness. Basically, wellness incorporates everything: the food, the fitness, lifestyle habits, everything. Wellness is the whole, categorizes the whole thing in a circle. And I explain that to people. It's not about the gym. It's not about going to the gym and being healthy or fit that way, because that's not the way it works. Exercising in the gym is actually not very healthy for you. Being outside in nature is far healthier. And what I recommend is walking, and swimming, and doing some strength training with your body, using your body to gym, push-ups, planks, squats, lunges, pull-ups, headstands, and handstands. So that's it. again, getting back to the cold, dreary Europe. It's great. It's great because it's a change of pace. You know, you look at things differently. You can relax yourself for a few days more. You know, when I'm traveling, I'm always on the run. Not on the run, don't get me wrong. On the move, on the go. I hardly ever stop. I never take a day off. I never stop working. I never stop making videos. I never stop writing and posting and uploading. And there's an awful lot of work and editing. You know, it's never ending. Sometimes I'm working from 8 in the morning till 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock at night. So that's why it's nice to get back, decompress, spend time with the family, talking about family matters, personal matters, future goals, ideas. Because the only people you can really share those things with are your close and tight family. Because if you share them with other people, be it your best friends or girlfriends, boyfriends, even husband and wife sometimes, you don't know if they're actually being well received or abused or whatever. I'm just saying, you know, because that happened to me in the past a long time ago. So the only people I really trust in my life and discuss my current situation and my future life, business plans, personal plans with are my close family members who I know I can trust 100% and love and adore. So, and also my mentors, because they're very, very good people. So that's why it's so important to regroup, to come back to family, and to enjoy some downtime in a more, how shall I say, in a more realistic environment, meaning it's normal. It's a normal environment, you know? Look, normal people biking, walking their dogs, fishing in the pond in March in Europe. Hello. And they're friendly too, you see? Friendly. That's very important as well. So, it's a misconception, guys, going back to the doom and gloom and the bad place in Europe. It's wrong. Enjoy it. I enjoy it. Of course, I won't stay here forever. I'll move on. But I can tell you one thing. It's definitely a time to recover. You can tell I got a little bit of a cold from all the travel on the aircraft and so on. You know, air travel isn't easy. Jet lag and lack of sleep takes it out of you, you know. So it's a reset time. It's a great time to rethink, to recreate, and to make better plans for the future. It's as simple as that. And this video is just about that. Regroup, rethink, and make yourself more powerful and far stronger again going forward. And that's what you achieve if you can do this and you understand that. Simple. All right, guys. See you in the next video. I'll be making plenty of content from good old dreary Europe, Belgium, where I am now, in the next few days before I carry on my travels, which I'll be doing very soon. All right then, guys. Speak to you in the next one.
Thanks for watching Rob's Health Crunch. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. There is more great content on the way from me about Cambodia, health, fitness, wellness, real healthy food, and great lifestyle habits. Don't forget to enable notifications so you'll know when the latest video is posted. Until then, here's some other great content I think you will enjoy.